Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we do the settings to print a page with different size. So to do this, just press Ctrl plus P for the print preview. Now all these options are related to print settings. So as you can see, related to size, we have here the dimensions. Generally, its default setting is it in A4 size portrait orientation. Okay, so what we have to do is we'll just have to change the size. So here it is, the dimensions, all the dimensions are here. Like as you can see now, the gaps, the margins, what is in A4. So when you select letter size, so it changes little bit. Similarly, if you select A3, it changes much more. In A5, in B4, in set statement, in executive. So as you can see guys, all the things is changes continuously with the selection. Why? Because all these different types of name are having different types of dimensions, page dimensions. That's why they are different. So let's suppose whatever is you need is not mentioned here. Okay, these are not here. So what we have to do is just click on this more paper sizes. Now whatever the settings you need to have, the top margin, left margin, right margin, header, footer, whatever you want to do, you can do here and set the page size yourself. Okay, now press OK, and if you want to set the orientation line, so here it is. So this was the setting of page size guys. That's all for today. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.